I see way too many people who just want to be coders, right? And they come out of college and they love this idea of typing this complex code. And it feels really cool when you can do that. Problem is, if you use that as a crutch or you rely too heavily on the code and the out-of-the-box libraries that you'll find in these languages, if you don't understand exactly what's happening beneath the surface and why, then you're wielding a pretty dangerous tool. Like, as an employer, you would never hire a data scientist who knows how to run a script, but they can't explain to you what a decision tree is doing. So we are trying to create that bridge for people with a kind of analytics or BI background who are interested in the world of machine learning and AI and all that, but maybe a little intimidated by it, or maybe they haven't found the right way to learn it yet.